The Israeli military took steps on Friday to hold itself accountable for the deadly strike on aid workers earlier this week. 2 officers have been dismissed and 3 others punished following drone attacks that killed 7 workers delivering food to starving civilians. Hamas and its allies say it was a deliberate attack, but in a new report, Israel found it was a, quote, grave mistake stemming from a serious failure, and the entire decision-making process will now be re-examined.
Why did you pull the trigger thinking this was Hamas? That's a thorough investigation done by a values-based organization that is holding its people to a very high standard.
The report was released just hours after Israel's security cabinet approved a series of immediate steps to increase the flow of humanitarian aid. The Biden administration welcoming that announcement while also remaining skeptical about conditions at the Gaza border.
These are positive developments, but the real test is results. And that's what we're looking to see in the coming days and in the coming weeks.
The report and the increase in aid shipments could be part of a broader push by Israel to soften its stance in Gaza following a series of public disagreements with the White House, which is now floating the idea of decreasing military assistance to Israel.
We need to see certain changes, and if we don't, then we'll have to consider changes to our own policy. But it's not about leverage.
CIA Director William Burns is expected to travel to Cairo this weekend for a new round of talks regarding a ceasefire and the release of hostages. In London, Greg Palcott, Fox News.